So, for example, in the 20th century, I would say that we need some 100 years or whatever. But now time is running faster, technology developing faster. So, in 10 years, I would believe, this is a wishful thinking, by the way. I still cannot confirm that it will happen that way, but I would believe that we will already have some network states established in 2034. But most importantly, I would like to say, and I would like to believe in what I am saying now, that we would have the first like true seeds of well-established ecosystem of this fourth establishment. This is very important. Like we would have, as I mentioned, this media coverage daily. We would have this coordination group. We would have all this. I mean, like people in different parts of the world who kind of like they address it as a social innovation project and not just a tech project or whatever. So I truly believe that we will have that, and we'll have, as I said, a couple of network states and new countries. Definitely we will have. Definitely, I believe that we'll have new countries. I believe that Liberland can be somehow onto the table. I truly wish that it will. But yeah, I mean, and there are some other also projects as well alongside Liberland that, though I still think that Liberland has gone a bit far, so maybe they can get in 10 years they can get recognition, and also in 10 years I would see that diasporas will make a huge impact on decision making globally. And there where I will definitely work, if things, I mean, don't go crazy. I mean, because there where I have some experience and knowledge, and I will definitely champion for it, like the diasporas engaging in the global political decision making, so the diasporas become a true power in world politics. So basically, the entire ecosystem will look like that way. Like, I mean, we have some new countries, some network states, which operate online and offline. This is very important. But for me, offline is super important. We need land. That's it. We need a land, and we will have, I mean, these diasporas making influence, and all this, I mean, ecosystem, as I mentioned, the talent bank, this coordination group, media coverage, movies, and everything going on. People already know about the network state, this movement. Like it's not a wow new thing anymore. So it is like I would like to say that in 2034 the network state and this fourth establishment will be the new normal. So if we call it that way, the new normal. So people will accept it as it is. I mean, just something normal that it should be, and like an evolutionary process. So, and we will also have, I must also mention from the political way, like as I said, this evolutionary development of the human history. Like maybe we will also get some empires back. You never know. Like we'll have network states, new countries, some empires back. In a new way, of course. I mean, not like, I mean, an emperor sitting over there or whatever, but like in an imperialistic, I
Mm.
mean, like establishment or something. But the world will continue the way it is. So one of the most important things that I want to say is that socially, psychologically, humans are the same. Technologically, they develop, but socially, they are the same. The same happened 5,000 years ago, how they interacted with each other, like city states, Egypt, Armenia, Iran, I don't know, Akkad, Akkadia, I don't know, Roman Empire, Greece, etc., etc. So the same way they interact now. So they had swords, now they have bombs. I don't know. They didn't have embassies. I mean, with I mean, people standing there protecting the embassies. Now they have, but things on social level were the same. So this is very important to address. So you cannot take the social aspect out. Humans are the same in terms of social phenomena, how they interact with each other. So that is why I would say that in 2034 we are not going to see like some crazy whatever I think it will be an evolutionary process, like net, alongside network states, new countries, and these nation states. A lot of nation states will remain. Some nation states will cease to exist. But in the end of the day, yeah, maybe some aliens will come. Who knows? Yeah, in general, I mean, we'll have an evolutionary process, and that really, my wishful thinking is about the ecosystem to be firmly established and be the new normal so people globally accept it.
Yes, thank you for this. This is really great. Thank you.
Thanks,
Okay,
Natalia.
I'll
Thank
switch to
you. Yeah.
Russian now. Да, я считаю, что